Hi, how are you all? I hope you're all keeping well with this lockdown that's still on at the moment. Here's me again with a non-running loco from eBay, and me stripping it all down to clean and then rebuilding it as a pull push. I don't care about these not running. You get them quite cheap on eBay. Just taking all this stuff out, cleaning it all up, and I'll be putting it all back together. Hi. These are always handy to keep, these containers that you get your sweets in at Christmas or any time. Don't throw them away. They're very handy for everything. I used this today for cleaning the loco. That was I got this morning from eBay. It's a non-runner, so again I've stripped it all down and going to rebuild it for a push-pull. That's all the old motor that the person said didn't work. It was shorting out. I say I didn't want it as a runner anyway. And I've cleaned every piece up in the soapy water and dried it. And the cab and actually the local body looks, well, really good now. I honestly don't know why people, when they're on eBay, don't actually clean their stuff, because this was quite disgusting really. It was dirty as anything. And this is just a case of one screw. Sorry, this chair's creaking. This is the one screw that goes up through the bottom of here. Goes up through there. Then into there. Let's say it's just one screw, and then the body just comes off. There's a bit of a recess there, which fits into there. It's held in by that. Let's say I don't know why people, when they sell stuff on eBay, you get them, even the pictures, the photographs, they look disgusting with all dirt and fluff on them. And it's a 2-second job, basically, to clean it up. Did to complain to the person that sold me on eBay, because it came and the couplings here were all bent. They were all crooked. I'll show you some pictures that I took. I've tried to straighten them as best I can. They're easily changed though. That one's already been changed one time. That one's a bit more difficult because it's got a rivet there. You'd have to cut the rivet out and put a screw in. Right, I'm going to start reassembling it now. I'll have to do it off camera because I do this on my, well, record on my phone. So I need both my hands. There's nobody else in the house except for the dog. He's here as normal. Okay, I'll see you in a tick. Bye. Hi, welcome back. I've put the weights in there. You don't really need them really, but it does help with stability, stop them jumping off the rails. And then put in the wheels. And on these axles, one of the wheels is metal, the other one's plastic, because that's where the pickups were originally. So if you didn't have the plastic wheel in there, it'd arc. You get a short. So one of the wheels has got metal wheel and a plastic wheel. The middle one's both plastic, and the other one is plastic and metal. Started building up the bogie. Kept the magnets inside it because it does help with traction. But nickel silver track isn't magnetic, so it will help if you get the, I think it's DCC Concepts, the plates that you put on underneath the track, and then magnets in the engine itself for adhesion. That's the dog. He's moaning because I'm filming and he's not getting involved. Right, I'll carry on building it up and I'll see you in a minute. That's his chassis back together now. The wheels are in. All moving freely, as they should, because there's no motor in it. There's a piece of paper here. Oh, sorry. If he wasn't stripping it down like I did, do not unscrew, lift and slide spring clip to release power bogie. So you take out that spring plate there that's holding it in, because if you take out that screw as I did, because I wanted to strip it fully down, it all falls to bits inside, because you've got a little screw there that goes up inside. So basically you'd have to strip it totally down if you made that mistake. Say you just wanted to service the bogie and give it some oil, well, you wouldn't want to undo that screw, because if you undo that screw you have to strip this all out. Right, I'll put the body back on now. I was wrong before when I showed you this piece here fitting inside there. It's not that piece. Piece that fits inside there is on the end here. Okay, there's the dog wanting to play trains again with me, and there's the loco. As you can see, moves freely up and down the line. So you can use this for double heading. Put a real loco on with the pull in, and and then you can just pull it along, and it makes it look like you got two motors, two locos. Okay, well, bye for now, and thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm due a load more old non-running locos coming from eBay in the next few days, so I'll be doing more of these videos. Okay, so it's bye from me and bye from the dog. Till next time, please subscribe, share, thank you very much, and comment.